evening, junkies. It's Sally here. I just wanted to share with you the little journals I've been making. These are a few. I don't make them for any other reason other than they bring me a lot of joy. I don't sell them. I do give them away as gifts. But I just enjoy them so much. I'm inspired a lot by Nick the Booksmith and Zoe Tofield, Tracy Fox, Paper Addiction. Oh, I can keep naming them. They are just fabulous, fabulous women out there with some wonderful ideas. This, just different, just want to show you the different sort of ways of binding. This I cut the cardboard. I do like a secret stitch, secret binding. Just a pamphlet stitch, really. And then I just go to town. A lot of things I get from Pinterest and a coffee dye paper. That's my own fingerprint. I use stamps, make little books, do sewing. Vellum's always nice to use. Use it for a pocket. Make little cards, ATC cards and what have you. So there's that one. That's my Sherlock Holmes. This is a different binding. This one I done with sea lemon. It's my Edgar Allan Poe one, but as much as the binding is, it's really neat. You can see, it looks very much like a proper book. I've got arthritis in my hand, so it wasn't very easy for me to do. But this is again, I got stuff off of Pinterest. I also bought stuff on Etsy, the pages I got on Etsy. Stamping, all of that. Sorry guys, just hold on a minute please. And then make little paper clips. Hi guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. There was a FedEx delivery. How exciting. Right. Where was I? I make little journal cards, and this is fun. This is a wage envelope. Coin envelope, I'm not sure if you call it that. And then I just made a little book. So a little journal within a journal. Little pocket there, and then I just put on a ceramic button just to do a little closure like that. Just all these little extras that you can add into these journals. They are so much fun to do. You can let your creativity just fly. They're incredible. This is my latest one. This I done. Also I done the hidden pamphlet stitch, so it's nothing. I call this one Bunny. This is all just nature stuff, botanicals, and I made these little envelopes. This was thanks to Izzy B Creations. Bought plain little craft envelopes and decoupage napkins on them. Also the stamping was Izzy B Creations, where you double stamp it. It's fabulous. This was an envelope, and I just decoupaged a napkin on, made it look all old and grungy. There's lots of places to write or stick. I use music paper. These were stickers I bought. It was actually a kiddie set, but it worked wonderfully well with this theme I had going on here. Again, the vellum. Love printing on vellum. What have we got here? And then just all little bits and pieces. As I say, it's just so much fun. So much fun to do. Your creativity knows no bounds. But now I hear you saying, what can you do with this? Well, this is one that I done. It's bigger, as you can see than the others. It's also cardboard, and I covered it with a Tim Holtz paper. Now this one I use as a journal. I find that it's better to sort of work off the book and then you stick it in the book again. So you can use it as a journal. This I bought from Zoe Tofield online. She has fabulous stuff, fabulous. You see this I done off the book and then I stuck it in. This was that new Tim Holtz tissue paper. You know, it's just terrific just to stick little things in. This is a little envelope I made, and you can write something down there, a little verse you like, or something like that. I love this Tim Holtz look, so I just felt like doing that the one day. Just all these little things that you can do. These are from Pinterest. I printed them off. This was also Pinterest. I love that. Love is the bridge between hearts. This was a tag, and I done it, and then I just stuck it on there to, you know, that's what I'm saying. You can do anything in these books. This is my grandson, my oldest grandson, Ethan, and I printed it in black and white, and then I colorized it. His brother's in here somewhere. This is that graphic 45 paper. We don't get it in South Africa, so I ordered it online, and I just love it. I just love it. So I made a tag out of it, added a saying from Chit Chat, and stuck it in because it just gives you joy. It's just so much fun. This I got from Pinterest. This I thought was really cool. It's like an old war like a identity document that I found on Pinterest. Let's get it out. There's my youngest grandson, Callan. Also, I've done it in black and white and colorized him, just the name of their names, the meaning of their names. This is a tag, and I just loved that saying, I live beneath an open sky. So I use it like that, just to jot my thoughts down, do little words. And as I say, you want to get inspired. There are plenty of fabulous, fabulous, fabulous women online. And you won't be sorry. Look them up. And most importantly, have fun. Because that's what it's all about. Cheers, guys. Enjoy. Bye.
Sally, thanks so much. That was absolutely wonderful. And I'm really, really pleased that you've been able to share your beautiful journals with us. So people, please join us on Art Journal Junkie on Facebook. And if you liked this video, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving us a thumbs up. I'm very pleased that Sally and Angie have started helping me add content to our channel, and I hope it brings you lots of fun. Until then, you take care and have a wonderful day. See you. Bye for now.